Hello everyone, I have another package from China, and this time it is from Geek Buying. I don't know how long ago it was when I last buy from them. It was a long time ago, I don't know, like many years. So there are two little smaller package in the box. And let's see what is inside the bigger one, because this is gonna be the main thing. So you will see it is gonna be some wireless headphones. This is not really what I wanted to buy, because what I wanted to have is what I had previously in my previous videos, when this around the neck style, but unfortunately I couldn't find any what would be completely satisfying. I mean, what seemed to be good on paper, what I had twice, but none of them was good. That was the one what promised like I don't know, 24 hours of playing time, and that was one of the main factor, because the sound quality is not necessarily that important for me, because I want to use it at work, just when I have to go away from my laptop, that I wouldn't have to take out all the time the earphone. So I'm gonna try to get open, but before that I'm just gonna show the box around. So if you want to read it, you can pause the video. Okay, I tried out a little different setup with the light, but it probably wasn't the best idea. So let's try to open this box. I don't really want to damage this box. I'm not exactly sure if this orange thing is connected to this bottom part or not. Well, okay, it's gonna be open soon. So this is what you see in the box when you first open it up. So here is the little carry case. It clicks on nicely. It takes a little force, not too much, but hopefully it wouldn't open by its own. I guess it's indicating the battery level, I'm not sure. And here are the headphones. So what I wanted to have is this kind of headphone, not the thing what you have to stick up to your brain, because I don't like that style. And this around the neck kind of neckbands or headphones, they wasn't a big variety with this kind of parts. So obviously these are fitting the box nicely. So I'm not okay, probably it's showing that both of them are charging. I'm gonna try to take one of them out, what it is doing. Okay, now one of them is charging and it's flashing, so maybe it's ready to pair. I'm not sure. But let's see. I'm gonna try it with my phone, even though I'm not gonna use it with my phone too often. It's trying to connect to the G8, but the G8 was the previous one what this neckband type of headphones. Okay, maybe I have to take it out from the box to pair it. And let's see what happens. Oh, it found it. So let's try to pair. Yes, it is saying it's connected. So it paired it twice. Maybe it's paired them separately. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to find some music or something to check it. Okay, so interestingly, it's the phone is playing the music, not the headphones. So let me try it again. So it's saying it's connecting. Let's try the other one. So if you can hear the music, it's probably because it's still playing from the phone speaker, not from the headphones. Maybe these need some more charging, or I don't know. Probably this is the reason. So I'm gonna pause the video and try to leave them a little bit in the, but it's still flashing. So I'm trying to put back to this case a little bit and try it a little later. So I'm gonna pause the video now. So it really was just 5 minutes, but I'm gonna try it again. So I'm gonna try to pair it with my phone again. It is saying it's connected, so let's see. Yeah, okay, so I have to find some music again. Yes, now I can hear it through the earphone. It doesn't sound bad. It's not gonna make okay, so I hear some clicking noise. I mean, not noise, it's voice or something. Probably because I was touching it and I was adjusting the volume of it. So maybe it's not gonna make much sense, but I'm gonna try to show. I mean, I'm holding it to the microphone. Again, probably it's not making much sense. It's not gonna give you a perfect sample how it sounds. You need to try it. It definitely sounds better than the headphone what I'm using now, but you know that headphone is like was probably 60 or 70 cents from AliExpress, and the quality was okay for me. Probably most people would hate it, but for the purpose that I used it at work, it was good. So this one is much better for sure. I mean, the bass is is obvious. And yes, so this half, the left, I can make the music quieter. And now I don't know what did I do. I just paused it. No, the other half, the right, if I touching it, I can make it louder. So I forget to show what else in the box, because there is a little envelope here still, but I guess it's only papers. Oh no, there is a tiny short USB cable, a USB-C cable for charging. And yes, it probably I haven't mentioned it, it has a USB-C port. And also what I wanted to show is plastic. It's it has a little heft. It doesn't feel too cheap, also doesn't feel the highest quality. I mean, it's a perfectly satisfying quality for the price. So that's the best way how I can show the quality of this plastic. So warranty card. Oh, okay, and here is some bigger manual. So this part where I started, it wasn't English for sure, but there is English here as well. Okay, so this not all of these is English, but the upper, I'm trying to show you the English part. So in case you wanna read it, you can pause the video or try to read it. And there is also a little English here as well. Alright, so I don't know what else to say about it. I guess that's gonna be enough. It seems to be alright. Again, I wanted to something this around the neck type of thing, but for now I'm gonna be okay with this, I guess. I hope I'm not gonna lose it, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted this around the neck style, and also because I just I would be able to just take out from my ear and not worry about losing it. But that's gonna be fine, I think. So thanks for watching, God bless.